Can you tell Mommy all about the lion?
Lion.
Did the lion scare you?
Yeah.
The lion in your book, did it scare you?
Yeah.
Tell me about it. That lion right there?
Yeah.
Did it scare you?
Yeah.
Were you scared?
Yeah.
Show me. How scared were you?
Scared.
What?
Scared. Yeah.
Show me how you are when you're scared.
Yeah. Scared. Me.
That scared you?
Yeah.
Show Mommy.
Boat scared me.
The boat scared you?
Yeah. Yeah. Ma. Papa.
Oh, look. Look. There's the lion. Look at, there's the lion. Yeah? It scared you?
Yeah.
Show Mommy what you do when you get scared.
That scared me.
That scared you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like that.
Like that?
That. Papa.